In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Supabase with Lovable AI quick and easy 2026. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Supabase connected to your Lovable project so you can power your app with a secure, scalable database in just a few clicks. Before we start, make sure you already have accounts for both services and a project created in Lovable. To keep things smooth, begin by logging into your Supabase account in a separate browser tab. Being signed in ahead of time helps the authorization step complete instantly without extra prompts. With Supabase open and ready, head to your Lovable dashboard and select the project you want to connect. Keeping the right project selected avoids accidental connections to the wrong workspace. Once you're inside your project view in Lovable, look for the Settings area. It's typically accessible from the left sidebar or the project menu. Click Settings to open your project configuration. Inside Settings, find and open the Connectors section. Connectors are where Lovable manages integrations across tools and services like databases, analytics, and auth providers. If you immediately see the Supabase tile, great. If not, click View All to expand the full list of available connectors. The catalog can be long, so using the search bar for Supabase can save time. Next, click the Supabase connector tile and then choose Connect. This starts the linking process. If you're already logged into Supabase, you should see an authorization window or a prompt to select your organization and project. Confirm you're choosing the correct Supabase project that matches your Lovable app. Review any requested permissions and proceed. You do not need to expose any sensitive keys during this flow. The connector handles secure authentication for you. As a best practice, grant only what's required and keep any service keys or environment secrets stored securely in your own vault. To finish, click Connect Supabase. Lovable will complete the handshake and show a success state when the connection is active. You'll typically see a connected status or a green checkmark on the Supabase connector. From here, your app can start reading and writing data through the integration, and you'll be ready to build features like user profiles, content feeds, or audit logs with minimal setup. If the connection doesn't appear right away, refresh the page, confirm you're logged into the correct Supabase workspace in the other tab, and make sure you have sufficient permissions for that project. Clearing a stale session or trying a different browser can also help in rare cases. Congratulations, you've just integrated Supabase with Lovable the quick and easy way.